Okay, so the problem was you had an incredibly strong grip. Your club face was dramatically closed at the top of the backswing. Okay, and then you also had your arms up too high and you're going very, very flat. Your path from the inside was 15 degrees out to the right, which is massive. And you're hitting up on it about 9 degrees. So we're just gonna change everything. I weakened your grip, bend forward more, handle down, get more of an angle. Now, we wanna feel like the club goes up the wall or more of a hinge so it stays in front of you. And then I want you to exit left and feel like you're cutting across it. So we're changing a snap hook path to a cut path. Go ahead.